The bearer of this note, Mr. James White, is a close personal friend of mine. Full stop. He is traveling to Canada, and he will be in Glasgow for a few days before sailing. Full stop. I want Mr. White to meet you, for I know that you will be glad to number him among your acquaintances. Full stop. For this reason, I do not feel that I am imposing on your kindness in asking you to show Mr. White some of the important sights of the city. Full stop. I think that you and he should find ourselves fully in accord on most subjects. Full stop. You have always been in sympathy with our child training campaign, by which we try to put as many children as possible in camp for a few weeks each summer. Full stop. Our campaign has now started again, and we enclose a book of seals. Full stop. These stamps cost you only 3s6d. Full stop. As you know, these children are carried for by counselors who give their services free, and any money collected in our campaign spent on the children and clothes.